Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Buddy in Florida on the new President Lincoln 2 Plus. Buddy, these are really nice radios. Need a few modifications, and most of the time they don't have any thermal compound on the back of the finals or the voltage regulator, but yours did, so you were good there. So we're going to get right to it here. We adjusted your AM and sideband sensitivity. Receive was kind of low from the factory. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. We're going to do the 5-watt slug. Half-watt carrier. We'll roll it all the way up. 5 watts carrier. Over the 100-watt slug. Average power. Low. About 27 bird. Which you've seen that private video I sent you. It had no forward movement in average power before. 100-watt slug. Peak power. Low. 50 peak. And we're going to go over here. You asking about sideband. 100-watt slug. Low. A good strong 41 peak. And FM, which I can't really demonstrate it to you, but it is lined up, ready to go, much louder, clearer. You won't have any problems. Buddy, I hope you enjoy this, and I thank you for your friendship and business. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.